So, okay, now we will start the procedure for balancing, By which method? By 4-run method. And this is called field balancing because we will go to the machine and we will not remove the machine. We will go to the machine and without removing any part of the machine, we will make balancing. So this is called field balancing. And the method is called 4-run balancing. 4-run balancing because we have to run 4 times this machine. And how we make balancing? Either by adding the weight or by removing the weight. Okay. And first thing is that you should diagnose the machine. You should first find out what is the real problem. How you find the problem that it is unbalancing? You should know the RPM of the machine and you then check the frequency. If the frequency is same as RPM, it means there can be a problem of unbalance. And how you know that how much is the unbalance? You will check the amplitude at the frequency equal to RPM of the machine. That amplitude will tell you the effect of unbalance. If amplitude is more, it means there is more unbalance. Okay, and then you find out trial weight by the formula. Trial weight is that weight which you fix to change the reading. You fix trial weight 2 times. First you select one position, number 1 for example, and you fix the trial weight. There will be change in the reading and you will note it down. Then you fix that trial weight on the opposite side and then you take the reading again. So these readings are called T1 and T2. Trial weight you can calculate by the formula. We are not going into the formula. If the trial weight is too much big, it will make a problem. There will be too much vibration. If the trial weight is too much small, there will be no change in the reading. The reading should change about 30%. Okay? Now the trial weight already we have calculated, it is about 4 grams. So now Mr. Ayad will start balancing. First he will note down the original reading. He will start the machine. Okay, you start the machine and take the
طيب يا شباب كيف تحسبون دي؟ أول شيء تطلعون الأو والتي 1 والتي 2. كيف تطلع الأو؟ أول شيء تشغل المروحة بدون ما تضيف عليها على أي وزن. شغلها وتحسب بالآلة. إذا طلع لك الرسم يا شباب تروح على أعلى قمة. الرسم يطلع لك الامبليتيود وتكتب اللي هو الأو. طلع لنا يساوي 31.7. هذا الأو. سبعة مايكرو. طيب الحين تضيف عليه الوزن اللي معطى عندك السؤال اللي هو 5.7 جرام.
Speak little loudly. Okay.
طيب تضربونها يا شباب على العلامة اللي عندكم هنا زي في الجهة دي وتشغل المروحة وتحسب هذا T1.
Now this is the trial weight. You will take the reading. This will be called T1.
برضو بعد بطلع لك الرسم تروح لأعلى قمة طلعنا تي 1 يساوي 41.7.
RT1 is already written there, okay? You can change it. What is T1?
تي 1
طيب شكله.
41.7.
فوق يا
Okay,
عادي
right here,
فوق
T1 here. T1.7. Okay. And, okay, that's good. Okay, and T, okay.
طيب يا شباب التي 2 كيف تطلعه؟ تشيل الحجم الوزن اللي ضفته في المروحه بالجهه الثانيه اللي مقابلها على طول عشان تطلع التي 2. التي 2 طلع يساوي 42.6.
Okay, now finished T2.
طيب يا شباب
Now
باقي
T1, T2 finished.
يس
Okay, now you will make a sketch.
طيب
Yes. It's finished now. Now you make a sketch. You multiply T1, T2 and O by 6 and write the answer.
يس
Why we are selecting the scale? We are selecting the scale so that we can draw the vector diagram. Without scale, it is difficult to make this vector diagram. So we will multiply all readings by 6. O, T1 and T2 we will multiply all by 6.
نضربها ب6 عشان نقدر نرسم السبوع.
You can select any scale, you can multiply by 5, you can multiply by 4, as you like.
اي رقم تقدرون تستخدمون بس عشان
Okay.
يفرق. طيب شوف 41 ضرب 7 41.7 ضرب 6 يساوي 250.2. نضرب التي 2 يساوي 255.7.
Yeah, you can on little one side so we can see in the picture also what you are writing.
والله على الجنب على الجنب
طيب
فوق
طيب
الأول.
Okay.
أوه.
Okay, okay. So he has multiplied all readings by 6 and you can see that original you multiply by 6 also. Yeah, 31.7 multiplied by 6. How much? Original. So original 31.7 multiplied by 6 is okay, 190.2 millimeter. Okay. So now you can make a sketch. Okay.
طيب
So original is 190. So how we get 190? We multiplied the reading
الحين
31.7.
تستخدم المقدار كيف؟ تحسب 190 مثلا المقدار على 190 دقيقة على 190 وتحطها في النص وتسوي تقاطع فوق وتقاطع تحت.
Very good.
وتشيك هذا يعني عن الشيء.
So it's checking now.
تسوي كذا.
Yes.
هذه 190 مضبوط.
Yes. Yeah. We can see. We can see in the camera also. Just, yeah. Yeah, like this.
اللي فوق واللي تحت هذه 190 وهذه 190 مضبوط. الحين تروح للتي 1 تفتح على 250.
So T1 is 250. Overheating was 41.7. We multiply it by 6 and it becomes 250.
إذا فتحت على فتحت التي 1 على 250 تحطها في النقطة الأولى اللي سويت عليها تقاطع وتقاطعها بالخط اللي يسوونه.
Very good. So this is T1.
تي 2 255 تفتح على 255 على النقطة الثانية وتسوي تقاطع على الخط الثاني.
Okay, very good.
طيب.
So we will join the point of intersection with the yes. And you will what you will do is that because there is a line there, but otherwise we will join this line with this one. This is point of intersection. So we will join this line with here, and we will extend this line. Then we will find out what is the distance from here to here. We will measure this this one. So this one is about 175.
175.
So this one will be called TV is equal to
طيب شباب
175.
حسبون النقطة من النقطة دي إلى النقطة هذه 175 تقريبا. من النقطة دي إلى النقطة دي. نعم.
So this is 175 millimeter. 175 millimeter. This distance from here to here is 175.
هذا التي اف يا شباب.
And we will measure this angle also.
هذا من خط الاساس
Yeah.
الخط الاساسي من بدايته الى الابتداء.
This angle from
كم يطلع 175
this angle,
على حسب
اي هذا طلع 175
this angle from here to here.
يا شباب يقول في الزاوية من فوق إلى هنا.
And this is about 91. This is 91 degree. And this is the angle we will fix the correction weight. And this angle will be taken from the first position of the trial weight. We will first take the direction clockwise or counterclockwise. If the vibration go down, it is okay. If the vibration go up, then we will change the direction. You will speak in Arabic. Yeah. Same thing, speak in Arabic.
طيب يا شباب. وش نسوي؟
وضح ال 175
We will,
175
yeah,
175.
this 91 degree angle is the angle of, for fixing the correction weight, And this angle we take from trial position number 1.
طيب فاهمين لهنا؟ طيب مضبوط. وش اللي حسب. الحين يا شباب تروحون للقانون.
Okay, now he will find the correction weight.
الاو اللي هو
O is 190.
190.
Yeah, O is 190.2. 190.2 multiplied by trial weight.
في الوزن.
Trial weight is 5.7 gram.
5.7. قسمها في التي في اللي هو
175. Okay, so this is correction weight. This will be the correction weight. This formula is for correction weight. You can see, it's okay. So this is, let's see what is the answer now.
طلع يساوي 6.1.
Okay, so the answer is 6.1 gram. Okay, now you will remove the trial weight and make it equal to 6.1 gram.
الحين تشيل الوزن اللي ضفته هذا وتبدله بالناتج اللي طلع لك اللي هو 6.1.
So this is 6.1 gram.
Yes.
Okay. So this angle we will measure from trial weight position number 1, which is this one, number 1, which is number 1 here. Okay. So from here I will take this here 91 degree. So it will come here. Okay.
يقول تستخدم المنقلة عشان تجيبها على الزاوية 91 بالضبط. تحط المنقلة في النص وتحسب 91 وتحط الوزن اللي طلع لك هنا في نفس المكان.
Now if the vibration go down, we will take the reading. If the vibration go down, it's okay. Otherwise we will take angle on this side. From here to here 91 degree. We will take on this side. Because we don't know the direction, this side or this side. So now he has fixed the weight and he will start the machine and we will see what is the reading. Okay.
طلع 1.6.
Now the reading after balancing is 1.6. So very good, you know.
Yes.
Before it was how much? This was 31.7.
Yes.
And now it is 1.6.
طلع أقل في
Yeah. So
الفايبريشن مضبوط.
So the result is very good.
أستاذ أقل يعني.
Yeah. Now you can see this. This is very easy to make balancing for.
سؤال يا شباب.
Yeah. For this is called static balancing, where the rotor thickness is small. Rotor thickness is small.
اجلس.
Okay. In case you want to make a balancing for motor, then you will select two planes, one side here, one side here. And for big motors, there is a arrangement to fix the balancing weight. Okay. Thank you very much.